That's the Proscenic vacuum. A Proscenic robot vacuum is a budget-friendly automated cleaning solution designed for daily home maintenance and featuring a sleek dark brushed metal top with central leader navigation dome. It offers efficient room mapping and systematic cleaning routes. There is mopping parts. When it's time for mopping, I will show you how they can be put. Also, there is a remote control to the robot vacuum, and on the phone I have an app and I can manage Proscenic through Alexa as well and through my phone as well. Also, you can use very easy. Now I will show you how to use. It handles dust, pet hair, small debris well on hard floors and low pile carpets. It can be everywhere for daily use. How we can use? Just switch on and she will start. It automatically takes all of the rubbish inside, it's going there, and there it shows the battery, how much battery. It's full now. Definitely worth it to have for everyday use at home. I recommend it. My big helper is Proscenic.